Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in Capcut PC. So basically, I'm going to show you how you can create the zoom in effect or edit this zoom in Capcut on PC or laptop. So for this, first of all, you just have to open the Capcut and then you can see this is the Capcut application and I import just this video. Now there are two ways to create zoom in effect or to zoom in your video. So the first way is just tap on your video to select it, and after selecting the video, if you go for on the right side, you can see these options: video, animation, tracking and adjustment. And in video you can see there are also options like basic, cutout, mask and enhance. So just go for this basic, and now you can see these keyframes. Using these keyframes we can create this zoom in effect. If you go to the start of the video and now I just tap on this keyframe and now just drag your video here, and now you can see you can scale it up like this. And now if we play our video, you can see our zoom in effect is created. So our video has been zooming in when we play this video. So this is the first way, and now the second way is if we just delete these keyframes. So we just deleted these keyframes. So now the second way is just go to the effects, and in lens you can see this zoom lens and mini zoom. So I just like this zoom lens because this is quite easy and quite simple. So I just drag this on my video like this. So you don't have to do any editing or like difficulties, you just have to drag this effect to your video, and now if you play your video you can see this our zoom effect has been created. So these are the two ways you can create zoom in effect or you can zoom in your video. You can go for this effect or you can go with yourself with these keyframes as well. So that's it for this video. That's how you can easily zoom in Capcut PC. So I hope this video was helpful. So don't forget to check our recommended resources links below in the description. If you like the video, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.